Okay. Hi children. Okay, in the last class we have finished Roman number 3, that is shade the given picture as directed. Now we will write the numerical form of the following. See, half part means first one half part. Half part means, see, the object is divided into two equal parts. So one is shaded, so it is called as 1 by 2, half. Quarter means 1 by 4, means the object is divided into 4 equal parts and quarter of one of the part is shaded, so it is called as quarter, so it is written as 1/4. 3/4 part. 3/4 part means how? See, the object is divided into 4 equal parts and 3 of them is shaded, so it is called as 3/4 part. Next, state the meaning of the given fraction as shown below. Half. Half means divide an object into two equal parts and taking one part is equal to 1 by 2. So what is there? For example, so I have taken triangle here. So this is a triangle. So first I will divide into two equal parts. Okay. So this is 2. So one of the part will be shaded. So one of the part is shaded. Then how you will write? So number of shaded portion is 1. How many parts is shaded? 1. And number of parts are 1, 2. Number of portions parts are 2. So next one. This is quarter part. So how quarter part? So we'll take a square. So we'll divide it into 4 equal parts. So one part will take as a shaded part. So this is one part is shaded. So we'll write 1. So how many box it is? Total it is divided into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll write as 4. First one we divided triangle into 2 equal parts. So one part is shaded. So number of parts shaded divided by number of parts. So it is 2. So 1 by 2, 1 by 4. Now we'll move to, so we'll take a shape, this shape. So we'll divide it into 4 portions. 4 equal, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. We'll shade it. 3 portions will shade. One shade, second one, third one. Okay, we'll shade it 3 portions. How we'll write? So first always numeric. So numerator should be written as a, so this is called as numerator and this is called as denominator. So numerator part always number of shaded parts. So numerator is number of shaded part is 1, 2, 3. So denominator what you will write? Total number of parts. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. So this is how fraction should be written, children. Okay, next here. Express the given figures in the fractional form. Okay, so this is the arrow mark. It is divided into 2 equal parts. So what we will write? Fractional part 1 by 2. So here it is. So 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. So quarter is shaded. So it is 1 by 4. So next. Oh, here is the activity for you all. So activity. What is activity here? Playing dice with friends. Take a dice, take flashcards and write 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 3 by 4 on it. Stick the flashcards on the opposite side of the dice. Now make at least 5 sets of flashcards representing these fractions from a group of 3 students and play. See, form a group of 3 students and play. Keep the flashcards in the middle of the group. Play the dice. Okay. So what we will do? First take the flashcards and write dice and take a dice and write it as 1, 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 3 by 4 on the stick. Okay, we'll take a stick and we'll write it. And make at least 5 sets. You have to make 5 sets and form a group of 3 students. You have to make a form of 3 students. Keep a flashcards in the middle of the group. So you have to keep the flashcards in the middle of the group. Play the dice. So you have to play the dice. Take the flashcard having the same value as it is on the dice. Okay, got it children, how to play? Pass on the dice and play in succession until all the flashcards kept at the middle are finished. Whoever has chosen the proper one and maximum number of cards properly is the winner of the game. Okay children, got it? So this is what the fraction lesson is finished children. So all about what is there in this? Overall, I'll revise children. So first what is there? See how to divide roti into 2 equal parts here. See cake into 2 equal parts and square biscuit into 2 equal parts. And here also, so given parts, how to divide into 2 equal parts. So this is what. And next she wanted to give kitten bread into 4 equal parts. Here oil, so it is filled with the one part is filled with an oil. This is called as a quarter and 3/4 is empty here. Okay, next it is square. One of the part is colored. This is called as a quarter. So one part is eaten here. One part is eaten. It means 4 parts were there. One of the part is eaten. It is called as a quarter here. So this is what I am doing revision children for you all. Next, so this is filled with a glass and 3 parts are filled with the water and 1 part is empty. So this is 3/4. Here also 3/4. Cake is divided into 4 equal parts and 1/4 part is eaten. Here apple is divided into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 part is eaten here. So quarter part is eaten. Among 4 equal parts, the 3 parts are called 3/4. 3/4 together forms a 3/4. So here, so this example I have shown you. So this is what shaded unshaded part. How to write in the shaded and unshaded part. So as the following, in the form of kgs, in the form of pieces. So shade the half of the portions here. Here also same thing. So all this you all crayon with the crayon. Do crayon children. Don't shade with the pencils. Okay, you do it with the crayons neatly and send me in the homework group. And this one here, see quarter part is shaded here and here 3/4 part is shaded here. Here same thing. Here only 1/2, 1/4, 1/3/4. How it is written numeric form and shading, unshading. Only this is a thing in the fraction children. It's a very easy chapter and this will be there for your exam, annual exam. Prepare well. See, do everyone send your homework in the group. I am not receiving any homework in the group children. Everyone send your homework in the group so that I can mark your names. Okay children, take care. Bye bye.